Hello! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Elo Sarzuela, and you're watching Easy Makeup Artist channel. And today, I'm going to show you how to maximize this newly launched Vice Ganda's Tinted Brow Gel. No? And I'm going to show you the tips and tricks. So, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click like in this video. You can also follow me at my Instagram, LEWK, and you can also send a message at Facebook page, Elo Sarzuela Makeup Artist. So, without further ado, let's start! So, paano nga ba ang tamang pag-a-apply ng brow gel? Kasi when we say tinted brow gel, of course, meron siyang color, may hint of color, and ito dapat yung magko-coat well doon sa kilay natin. So, madalas kasi ang napapansin ko sa mga gumagawa ng brow gel, they only do this kind of coating ng eyebrow gel. Pag ganito lang, pataas lang. Ganyan. Okay, ganyan lang yung ginagawa nila. So, sayang, no? Instead na dapat ma-coat well yung eyebrows natin, itong portion lang sa harapan ng hair strands na ang kilay natin ang nalalagyan. So, ganito yung proper way, and we really use it, no? Kami as professional makeup artists, ganito yung ginagawa namin. So, if you have your own tinted brow gel na ganito, kunin nyo yan. Tanggalin nyo yung excess. As you can see sa brow gel ni Vice, meron siyang fiber. May mga maliit na hibla na it helps to make your brows look fuller. So, ganito yung tamang pag-a-apply, okay? So, once you remove the excess product, ang tamang pag-a-apply is do it in a short upward strokes muna. Papunta sa arch hanggang sa tail. So, once it's already coated, yung unahan, then ang gagawin natin, i-comb natin pa-reverse, pabalik. So, para ma-coat yung buong hair brows natin, pa-reverse. So, like this. Kasi kailangan ma-coat natin lahat yung hair strands. Then, after you do the reverse combing ng brows natin, that's the time na you do the first step. Do a short strokes. Kumbaga, suklay na natin pabalik. So, nakita niyo yung difference? Diba? Kahit hindi kayo maglagay ng eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder, kapag tama yung paglalagay ng brow gel natin, tingnan mo. Diba? There's a big difference. So, lalayo ako. See? So, next is we're going, after I curl my lashes, next is we are going to apply yung brow gel ni Vice. So, it has a small fibers, no? We will use it as a eyelash primer. And then, after we apply this, it will be followed by any waterproof or lengthening mascara. So, i-coat nyo maigi. maglagay tayo ng Vice Ganda's Browgel. See? So another tip is you can use any brow gel to tame down yung mga baby hairs natin. Yes, pwedeng gamitin yan. As long as it matches yung shade nito sa hair roots natin. So, since my natural hair is black to dark brown, so ginamit ko yung ash brown. So, ang gagawin natin is do not use directly yung brush ng brow gel, but take a spoolie na disposable or yung like may ginagamit ko sa pagkilay. Kukuha ko ng konti. And tsaka ako gagamitin sa mga baby hairs ko na strands. Ayan. So, this is my last tip for you guys. Since na-mention ko nga na yung brow gel ni Vice Ganda, it's not waterproof or smudge proof. So, this is the tip that I could give you. Once you applied yung brow gel ni Vice Ganda, let it dry for about 1 minute. And then, if you have hairspray na stronghold, or if you have a setting spray like this, no, any kind of setting spray na it really gives a long wear, kuha kayo ng disposable na spoolie or spoolie na ginagamit mo talaga sa kilay mo. Lagyan natin ng konting spray. And then, lagay natin sa ating kilay. So, magandang tip yan, Lana, if you have a Urban Decay All-Nighter, Huda Beauty Fix na spray, any setting spray na talaga nag-give ng long wearing, yun ang i-spray natin sa brush natin. And then, yun yung ilagay natin sa kilay natin. So, guys, this is the final look. So, wala akong ginamit dyan na brow powder or brow pencil. And I hope you learned something from me and makatulong ito para lalo natin ma-maximize, ma-multi-use yung brow products natin na brow gel. Whether it's Vice Ganda or BLK, whether it's Nishido, Everbelena. I hope my professional tips could help you para lalo mo pang ma-enjoy yung paggamit ng mga brow gel products ninyo. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel for more information and for more professional makeup tips na matututunan ninyo. So, thank you, guys. God bless us all. Bye!